as we really acknowledge the hard-working dedication of our frontline health workers, these are the people who save your lives.
Belethwa amasana amakhulu amane nethumi nanye embhedlela zikahulumende ema-irini alithumi nanye okuthoma eminyakeni omutsha lo ka-2024.
Singene kahle kakhulu, siyambonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu usigcinile kwaze wafika 2024 nabantwana nemindeni yethu.
Ngoba mali yaliyana nje izulu
inkinga sizo-enjoya 2024.
Abantu abathanda ama-beach bavakatshele imfunda ezihlukahlukeneyo lapho bebayokwamukela khona umnyaka omutsha ema-beachini. Endabeni zokuthoma zomnyaka omutsha cha etafuleni lendaba zesiNdebele siyalotshisa emakhaya begodwa siyanamukela nani ngokunjalo sibone samukele eminyakeni we-2024. Kubelethwa abantwana abamakhulu amane nethumi nanye embhedlela zikahulumende ema-irini alithumi nanye okuthoma eminyakeni omutsha lo ka-2024. Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDr. Joe Phahla umemezele bona iGauteng ngiyo ebenesibalo esiphezulu sabantwana ababelethwe phakathi kwesimbi ye-12 ebusuku nango-9:30 ekuseni. Njengombana kubelethwa abantwana abayi-112 yalandelwa yiKwaZulu Natal ngabayi-84, iMpumalanga Kapa yona ibe ngeyesithathu ngabayi-52.
Isibhedlela se-Dr. George Mukhari Garankuwa eTlhagwini ePitori samukela abantwana abasithandathu phambilini namhlanje. Usomkhandlu wezempilo eGauteng uNomantunko Moral Hoko uvakatshela abonina labesanyana abathathu nabantazinyana abathathu esibhedlela esisolo kwekuseni. Aboma belulekwe nangelwazi elimalungana nokutloliswa kwamasana la nangezenzelwa zemtholapilo. UNkomoral Hoko utsho wagandelela ukuqakatheka kokusetshenziswa kwenkhandelambeleko emahlawaneni.
KwaZulu Natal umntwana obelethwe nakusanda ukudabuka ubusuku siputuputwana somsana onesilinganiso sobudisi esi-2.9 kilograms. Somkhandlu wezempilo KwaZulu Natal uNomagugu Simelane uthi amasana amatshala alithwayo lethemba nokuthoma ngobutsha kodwa uzwakalisa ukuthwenyeka ngesibalo esiphezulu sokuzithwala kwamahlawana aseseminyakeni yobudala yokuya esikolweni. Kanti ungqongqoshe wezempilo uJoe Phahla ubuke nabasebenzi bezempilo.
We want to, as we really acknowledge the hard-working dedication of our frontline health workers, again call on all of society to say that these are the people who save your lives.
Umntazinyana oneminyaka eli-18 nguye obengumma omncane kunabo bonke abasanda ukubusiswa ngabantwana.
ETlhagwini Jingalanga undunankulu wakhona uZamani Sol ubuke abasebenzi bezempilo ekubalwa kibo ababelethisi nabodokotela ngomsebenzi omuhle abawenzileko ekusizeni ekubelethweni kwamasana ali-15 abelethwe esifundeni zezizwembelele namhlanje. Undunankulu Sol uthokozisa aboma ababelethileko wabe abavuza amavuko ngezipho.
Kanti esifundeni seMpumalanga usomkhandlu wezempilo eMpumalanga uSasekani Manzini uzokalise ukuguguneka ngokwanda kwesibalo samahlawana azithwalako kulesi sifunda. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi avakatshele esibhedlela seThemba kaBhokweni ayokwamukela amasana abelethwe ngelanga lokuthoma lomnyaka omutsha.
Siyakubona lokhu kusibantombatana akhulela sesemancane se problem 18 kula le 28 abantwana labasebancane labakufuna abasesikolweni so bobabe siyakhula kakhulu yekelani abantwana bethu bakhule kahle ngoba lokho siyakubona ukuthi umntwana lona 16 angeke sase decision yokuba pregnant so nemindeni yonke ufuna sivumelane ukuthi siyabakhulisa sonke singayifihli lento ukhosi bethu siyavumelana nabo ukuthi bangasavumi ba report kubo ufuna ba report emaphoyiseni ukuze ukuthi baboshwe.
uManzini uphe amasana izipho zikaNibijara esibhedlela seThemba ubawe ababelethi ukuthi bathande abantwana babo begodu bawahlogomela amasana la amagama la uwatsho ngemva kokuthi ngomnyaka opheleleko kube nabo baba labantwana abasebatsha ababotshelwa ukubulala abantwana babo ezihlakalweni ezihlukahlukeneko.
Inhlangano ezihlukahlukeneko zepolitiki zithe nazethula imlayezo yazo yokuphela komnyaka zakhuthaza amaSewula Afrika bona aphume ngobuningi bawo ayokuvota ekhethweni elizako.
Happy New Year, South Africa. From all of us here at the Democratic Alliance, we want to wish you a safe and prosperous and peaceful 2024. But I also want to wish you a year of meaningful change and new beginnings as we approach the general election this year.
The new year 2024 has arrived. It is my deepest wish that 2024 be a great year where we will see our dreams, aspirations, and wishes coming true. We have seen 2023 being a difficult year. Crime, unemployment, load shedding, and corruption happening day in and day out. 2024 must be a year of change.
Year 2023 was a challenging year for each and every one of us. Challenges such as load shedding, challenges in terms of unemployment. Those challenges have a severe effect on the livelihoods of all of us. But there is hope. 2024 is lying ahead of us. And on behalf of the Freedom Front Plus, I want to wish each and every one a prosperous 2024. This is the year where we can bring change in South Africa. If we want change, we can do it.
For this year to be a prosperous year for all of us, let's grasp a principle that was forced down our throats as we suffered total darkness and an economic meltdown. Remove the undesired load in order to protect generation units from further degeneration and total destruction. For a fresh start and a better future, let's be ready to remove a non-patriotic, visionless and corrupt government that has made us suffer since its installation. This we must do in protection of lives and livelihoods, in protection of our economy and its envisaged growth under the leadership of the ATM.
As we step into the new year, the Pan-Africanist Congress of Tanzania, PAC, extend warm wishes to all South Africans. 2023 was a difficult year for most South Africans, and because 2024 is an election year in our country, we plead with all South Africans to register and vote for change next year. May 2024 bring unity, progress and prosperity to our nation.
The SACP wishes fellow South Africans, the majority of whom are the workers and poor, a prosperous new year, 2024. That will mark the 30th anniversary of our historic, hard-won April 1994 democratic breakthrough, which marked our transition from the oppressive systems of colonialism and apartheid under white minority supremacists and their British counterparts. Since April 1994, our people gained access to human rights. The government has built and allocated houses for free of charge to the workers and the poor. It has expanded access to education, healthcare, and social grants. It has built roads in rural areas where there were none before. However, there are persistent problems. Unemployment is affecting over 11 million people, inclusive of demoralized work seekers. Our ports, rails and electricity are in crisis because of neoliberal policies, corruption and criminality. To resolve these and other problems, the SACP is calling on the workers and poor, as well as progressive sections of our society, to unite.
Abanikazi bendawo eziqashisela abafundi indawo zokuhlala sibabeke ithemba labo esikhwameni esisiza abafundi ngemali yeNSFAS ekuthena amabhizinisi wabo akhule. Ngomnyaka 2023 abafundi bangenele imithagalo ngenxa yemali yeNSFAS ebeyibalinganisela yona yokubhadela indawo zokuhlala ekuyi-45,000 umfundi ngamunye ngomnyaka.
I-NSFAS ithi inamakholeji ama-22 nama-yunivesithi ali-17 azokuba ingxenye yeprojekthi yokuthatha amahlelo okuqinisekisa indawo zokuhlala zabafundi ezizijameleko nokunikelwa kwabafundi abasebenzisa i-NSFAS indawo zokuhlala. uNkosini Ngwenya umrhubhululo omkhulu e-University eJohannesburg wenze irhubhululo elimadanisa ukufuneka kwendawo zokuhlala zabafundi nesibalo sabafundi e-University lem.
Some service providers become desperate, and what they do is they cut corners and they don't follow the full process, and that creates a lot of problems because if your property is not accredited by the university, NSFAS cannot pay you, and so it creates a lot of problems, and it creates it doesn't resolve the problem that we already have, because we need accommodation for students who are sponsored by NSFAS. So the moment service providers are not accredited in their property, then suddenly we have this shortage of beds.
Ungwenya ugandelela bona ungene ebhizinisini endawo zokuhlala zabafundi kusiqondo esihle kanti kunamathuba amaningi okundlondlobala khulukhulu na uqinisekiswe yi-university. Umraro wokuhlala kwendawo zokuhlala zabafundi eSouth Africa phaka kuvulela abasesendaweni zokuhlala amathuba. Umamelanga uphethe indawo yokuhlala eVaal eqalele ukukhula abafundi abafunda eVaal University of Technology. Olanga uthi nanyana kunentshijilo ekuphatheni ibhizinisi efana nale, i-NSFAS iyasiza bona ibhizinisi le irage kuhle.
I've seen in 2023 a lot of students been approved with NSFAS, and that has helped us a lot, because now doing cash it's not easy. You know, you are better off being paid by NSFAS.
Ngokuya kwe-Broad Property Group ukuba khona kwendawo zokuhlala zabafundi kusesesijijilo.
We actually struggle quite a lot with is not the quantum of student accommodation, but the quality of it. So we don't want to have people sitting in backyards and cottages, illegal commune situations, overbearing the infrastructure of the surrounding communities.
Umoyela uthi ezinye zezinto ezokubanga iziqhakatheke kakhulu ngo-2024 ngale kwendawo ephephileko ukudla, igezi nokuphakelwa kwamanzi okuphephileko.
Njengombana ilizwe lililwisana nezenzo zabantu abazithathela umthetho ezandleni, isifunda seLimpopo sinezehlakalo eziningi zokuzithathela umthetho ezandleni. Lokhu kuza njengombana izakhamuzi eziningi zesifundeni esi zingasenathemba esipholiseni. Ngokuya ngembalobalo zesipholisa, iSouth Africa ibike amacala ayi-588 wezenzo zokuzithathela umthetho ezandleni, hlangana nenyanga kaTjhirhweni noNtaka umnyaka opheleleko.
Isifunda seLimpopo sibika amacala okubulala ama2 37 hlangana nenyanga kaVelabahlinze noKhukhulamungu umnyaka opheleleko. Abantu abazithathela umthetho ezandleni babulela abantu abama37 esikhathini esi, kanti izehlakalo ezili-15 zenzeke esingini seVembe. Nanyana kwabo abantu abambalwa ngezehlakalo lezi, kodwana ukukhuphuka kwezenzisi kuyaraga nokuthwenya abantu abaningi. Isehlakalweni samhlapha nje abasola ababili baqhegeza emzini othileko, bachiswa, babulawa eTzanani hlanu kweLouis Richard ngoNobayeni umnyaka opheleleko. Izakhamuzi zithi amapholisa ngokungenza umsebenzi wawo ngikho okukhwezela izehlakalo ezinje.
I don't think mob justice will end, because when we report cases to the police, they don't really show the will to resolve them.
Zithoma ukwanda izenzo zokuzithathela umthetho ngezandla ezisosoleni zisolweni zokuthunjwa kunye nokulinga ukuthunjwa kwabantwana esingini seVembe. Abanye abasola ngokuthumba abantu babethwa ngamatsha, bachiswa, babulawa endaweni ezifana neSilwem neTzanani. Abanye abachisolwa bachiswa izindlu zabo eMabunga. Lokhu kwenzeka naphezulu kokuthi abanye abasolwa babotshiwe bavele khotho. Inhlangano zomphakathi zithi sebenzisana namapholisa ukuzama ukuqeda izenzo zokuzithathela umthetho ezandleni.
The only help that we can do as the community is to have the community outreach and awareness, whereby this justice system and the police come to the community and have the concern from the community. Because remember, this year alone, we might have at least 20 mob justice.
Inkhulu zamapholisa eLimpopo zikhombela umphakathi ukuthi bona ungazithatheli umthetho ezandleni.
We know that the mob justice incident continued to be a thorn in the flesh for us. We have noted that Vembe district as well as Mopane and many other districts have had a problem with mob justice incidents.
Ukutsha kwefuyo nokukata nakho kwenza bona abantu bazithathela umthetho ezandleni.
Nasibuya Ndolo.
There's no other way. Mika uthumela kaMitwa ngusha maron lo jwala sanju chaka jwala progoto wasinothe birtipete tharo.
Iyahlukana imbono yabantu abaselotshwala ngendaba yokukhupha ibabhalaza. Abanye bathi banomvango bazenzela wona, kanti abanye bathi liva lukhutshwa ngelinye. Ubukele indaba zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 na uqeda ukufika sekwamkela. Kazi indaba ezinazikuphundileko zikhona ku-Facebook, ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Namba sikhambe. Ukuchinga kwelanga namhlanje kutsho bona aphelile amaholiday wokuphela komnyaka. Ingasi kade nje abantu babuyele emsebenzini. Kunje abanye bazikhuphile basendaweni zokwamukela umnyaka omutsha. Kodwa nakusasa bazabe babhalelwa ukuvuka ngenxa yebhabhalazi. Ngokutsho kwehlelo mbono ye-World Health Organization yango-2016, iSouth Africa ibalwa hlangana namazwe ahuhulela ukukhulu utshwala ephasini zombelele. Bayakhala emabodokotela bathi abantu selanini buye nganeno.
Upona Masupa uthi nakazikhuphileko yena uyazibona imehliso yakhe ubususa ngani ubuthi bayo. Uthi into yokthoma ayilungisako likhalasi lomvango wakhe wokususa ibhabhalazi. uMasupa ubheja ngawo lomvango wakhe. Uthi minyaka athi nakabuya egidigidini ubumnandi athatha umthamo omude walomvango asebenze kamnandi nemsebenzini iphinde ukuyenda nokutataya.
I normally use a dehydrator and Babala's Rescue. They really help me. I drink dehydrator in the morning while I'm going to work or before I leave.
Umbuzo uthi eqinisweni yini kanti ibhabhalazi umuntu angayiphungula njani emzimbeni?
Some will experience severe headache. Severe headache, a person will tell you that I'm having a migraine. Some will say that general body fatigue, I'm just tired, my body is just tired, I'm so exhausted. Others come with the story of saying, no, I am vomiting, my stomach is so painful. The effect of alcohol, what it causes again is dehydration. So when we got the dehydration, let's put more water so that we balance the things. Number 2 is to get some carbohydrates. When I talk about carbohydrates, I'm talking about food.
Sibuze nabanye abantu endleleni zelinyenye ukuthi bayikhupha njani bona ibhabhalazi.
Normally, hangover I deal it with by sleeping. I sleep it through, and then when I feel like it's not working, I woke up and then start drinking minerals, water.
Abanye ke bona bathi iliver likhutshwa ngelinye iliver.
Babalasi, there's no other way. Mitlo thomela ka metlo ho ngusha maron le jwala sa njuntsha ka jwala. Frogo tso se nyothe birti pete tharo ononyana ube mnadi.
iSouth Africa inesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abasela khulu utshwala. Usister Mayilula uveza obunye ubungozi obungaba khona bokusela khulu.
It's our immune system. Why? Because most of the people who are drinking a lot, they don't eat. And the system, if the immune system is weakened, anything can happen to the body.
Amaziko wezempilo wenarha le abe nesibalo esiphezulu sabantu abalimalele etshwaleni ngamaholiday okuphela komnyaka. Konke lokho umsebenzi wotshwala.
Abantu baragela phambili nokugidinga ukungena komnyaka omutsha kumabhithi ahlukahlukeneko wenarha le.
ePumalanga Kapa uthomile umsebenzi wokuhlwengisa ngemva kokwamukela umnyaka omutsha. Kanti nanyana ubujamo bezulu bungasebuhle nje, abantu abaningi baye emabhichi ukuyokuthokozela umnyaka omutsha. Idorobha leBuffalo City lithi lulungele nanyana ngisiphi sehlakalo esingenzeka. Bambalwa abantu esele babotshelwe ukuhamula phambi kwabantu, kanti munye kwaphela umuntu ocwilileke edorobheni elisolo kuthoma amaholiday wokuphela komnyaka. KwaZulu Natal nakhona bafahla izulu bachinga khona emabhichi bayokwamukela umnyaka omutsha. Kanti Tjingalanga Kapa bezomthetho babekile ihlweli ibukhala endleleni ezichinga ebichi. Bakhalinywe ngamagama abukhala bahamulako bese baye emabhichi.
Ekhasini lethu leFacebook sibuze ukuthi ningene njani eminyakeni omutsha nokuthi niligidingela kuphi ilanga lokthoma lika 2024. Nasimbona wakho.
Khulu thina enyakeni omutsha siligidinye nomndeni nami ekeregeni ngo-12 o'clock dani bese ngabo ma-20 past sabuye ekhaya sakhuleka godi. Happy New Year.
Mina lilanga lami lokujuba umnyaka ngijubele lapha estadium eMbombela lapho khona bekunemicimbi khona kuthiwa ukuthi i-crossover lapho bekunebaculi abanyenti kakhulu begospel.
Hayi thina ngabe eBergville singene kahle kakhulu. Asizwanga lutho idube akubanga nalutho nje hayi besihlalele nje. Hayi ke akukho lapho nje siya khona izinhleli nje ekhaya mina
Singene kakuhle kulo nyaka ka-2024 noxa nje imvula yona isitsha apha kwelase-Eastern Cape ayana apha eMonti.
Mina ngingene kahle kakhulu unyaka nomusha engihleli nje nomndeni wami la emakhaya eJolivesi.
Happy New Year. Cha singene kahle kakhulu enyakeni lo musha sesilindeke ukubona ukuthi usiphatheleni.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ezokuthosa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ubusayi Mathebula uzositshejela bona bunjani ubujamo bezulu ngelanga lokuthoma eminyakeni ka-2024. Zikhona ngeSiswati kusasa. Nisale kuhle.
Sithokozile namabona asilotshise ekhaya ngomnyaka omutsha. Akhe siqaleke ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu. Sibona lapha amafu ngehlangothini elimaphakathi nenaga ukuchinga lapha eJingalanga. Livulile ke ngalenge eJingalanga. Nawuthi uyaqala ke ngapha nezulu elilinganiselwa lapha ku-80% egwini elingale ngempumalanga nenaga bese nawungenelelako ngapha litholakala ngabo 30% ne60% maphakathi. Nasithi siyaqala nakya kukhonjiswa lapha ikungu abantu bayelele ekseni abachayelako bese livalile godu ngapha ngehlagwini nangapha ngempumalanga yenaga izulu ke lona lilindeleke nge-30%. Akhe siqaleke silungise sisitholileko izulu elikhulu kilezi ndawo ezingale ngedebe nabantu bacheche bayelele. Umlilo ke ongatholakala kusasa kileza indawo zabo Appington ngomchiso okhona kuleya ndawo. Sicala lapha ke iGauteng ukuthi kuchisa kangangani na. Sibona ifuthumele kamnandi nezudlwana lilindelekile nge-30% njengoba ukhe wabona kanti ke amazinga ukuchisa akhamba lapha kubo-29. iLimpopo likhamba liveza ihloko kubo-12 ndo ulifuthumele nge-27. iMusina ke yona iyachisa nePhalabhurwa nge-31 eliphalale nge-32. abantu bacheche bayelele eMpumalanga nakhona kunezudlwana elilindelekileko nge-30%. Pholile ke Ladenburg emalahleni kufuthumele nalapha eMiddelburg nge-25. kuthi lapha esikhukhuza khona ke nge-28. KwaZulu Natal ibonakala nayo inezulu kubo Ladysmith nalapha eLundi kuphole ke kileza ndawo nge-23. kuthi ke lapha eDurban sibone nakhona kupholile nge-23. siya lapha eEastern Cape lapho sibona khona ukuthi ngalindeleka lapha eKomani bese kufuthumele bomthatha Malitswayi endaweni eziningi kukulapha eGraaff-Reinet la lichisa khona nge-33. ngale ngeJingalanga Kapa sibona ke ikhamba liveza ihloko eCape Town yachisa nge-32 lapha eFredendal nge-34 eBeaufort West nakhona nge-34 endaweni eziningi kuyachisa. iMossel Bay yona ke ifuthumele. iNorthern Cape ibonakala ichisa iSpringbok eAppington ichisa ekhulu nge-38 njengoba sibonile nesilemukiso nje abantu bangapho bacheche. ngeFreystata siyabona ukuthi kunezulu elilindelekileko kodwa ke isifunda naso sifuthumele lapha ke endaweni ezingale ngeJingalanga nesifunda kuyachisa nge-31. iNorthwest kokugcina sibona ifuthumele lapha endaweni yabo Tosca Vryburg kuyachisa ke neRustenburg ngalapha nge-30. akube mnyaka omuhle unempumelelo. sibona negodu ngesikhathi esilandelako. Dido.